Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we have gone to talk about the new indicator. I will tell you how the indicator works in this video. Please watch the whole video to know how this indicator works and how to use the indicator correctly and without loss. Can be saved. Subscribe my channel so you can get such profitable indicators and you can avoid loss and become good profitable traders. Let's start the trading video. We see that the market broke the green EMA trend line to the downside. The blue and yellow EMA line has also turned yellow. The green and red lines are also pointing to sellers. This is a good time to trade with sellers. And don't follow the arrows, they are just telling us new high, new low. Here the rejection point is like a reversal. Here the buyers strongly beat the sellers. 1-minute signals can be taken very well with this indicator. Here is the signal from the sellers. The market is coming down repeatedly with rejection from the red-green trend line. So we went to trade with the sellers for 5 minutes. The market is already down. I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well.